Okay, in the last video I showed how to assign some groups to files, and now I just want to show how you can save those groups if you don't want to have to assign a bunch of, or do this whole process again, assigning files to groups. So if you hit Save Groups, it's going to bring up hopefully this default folder, which is within the application folder that you downloaded. And it's just CSV files, and I'm just going to make a new one called My Groups. And then if I go to that folder, you can, it's under Memory Groups. So it's going to default to this folder, but you can save these anywhere else if you want to make your own folder or something like that. So I'm going to just open this My Groups, and you'll see that it's just a bunch of file paths and then a name of what group they're in. So you could edit this from here if you want, but you just know that you might, you have any errors here, it might cause errors in the program. I'm just going to close that. So then in the future, if I load these files again and let's say I deleted all the groups here, and I know that they should be in groups, but I don't want to do this process again, I can just hit Load Groups, Load My Groups, and then they'll all pop up right. There is one option for this. So you saw how when we looked at that CSV file, it was just a bunch of file paths and a group name. If this option is checked, it's going to look for that exact position in your computer of each file name. So if I had a file on the desktop, it's going to say, is this file on the desktop? If so, then I'm going to assign a group to it. You can also use just the file name. So that's going to mean it's going to look at the zippers that are loaded, and if it knows that 005, 0221, that file is associated with a group, it's going to load it. It doesn't matter if that file came from the desktop or if it came from your documents folder or whatever. So that can be useful if you're moving your files around, but just know that if for some reason you have files with the same names, there's going to be probably some unexpected groupings then. Okay, that's it.